Hey guys, it's Amia Moore and I am here with yet another video, and today I wanted to come to you guys and show you how to pack for deployment. I have no idea if I'm packing correctly. I'm just being me as usual, per usual. I'm probably going overboard. I don't doubt it, not one bit, because that's what I always do. But this is the things that I'm bringing with me. So if you're interested in this video, then stay tuned. So first of all, I know y'all see this mess. I have this big old Gorilla box. I'm putting all of that, can y'all see that? Yeah. I'm putting all of that in here along with like a comforter and like all this other stuff. This right here is going into storage. I'm currently packing right now. So yeah, if you want to see what I think this is about to get, then stay tuned. Right now I'm washing my comforter set because I'm just weird like that. And then, oops, I keep on showing a little burn. And then I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to take these things right here, and I am going to put that the comforter set in there, and I am going to take up all the air so everything can fit basically. Now I'm just about to try to knock out my room. I have about 5 days before I have 4 days before I leave. I need to get all these boxes packed up and ready to go as soon as possible, so I have nothing to worry about, literally. And that's what I'm about to do tonight. So yeah, we're about to have some fun. It's about to be lit. All right, so y'all, I have 3 bags. I have this right here, this little beat up suitcase that I'm taking with me because after I'm probably gonna throw it away. Then I have this 72-hour bag, and then I have this green duffel bag with all of my deployment stuff in there. So let's dump it all out and get it together. My 72-hour bag. It's pretty big. I already put some PC gear in here. I heard in Qatar that I can wear civilian clothes, so I might try to put some civilian clothes in there, but I feel like I already packed it or whatever. So we just got it all out there. You hear me? Bag that I got. It's pretty big. I do not have one like this already, and here it is. And it's, like I said, it's pretty big. It have a lot of compartments in there, and I really like that. So yeah, let's I picked up these Ziploc space bags because I wanted to save as much room as I can in the Gorilla box, and then also just a regular box of Ziploc bags. These are like $26. I think this one was $26 or $24, and this one was like $14 or $18. I can't remember exactly how much. And then this lovely thing is my Gorilla box. And it's not much room at all, but yeah. So I'm about to start putting a lot of things in here in the Ziploc bag and stuff because I don't want it to spill or anything like that or burst. So yeah, I'm gonna just go through all the things that I have up here. So this is everything so far that I'm putting in my Gorilla box. And also those towels, and then yeah. And then I will just be putting them in the regular Ziploc bag. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So one of these, excuse me, one of these is going in my carry-on, and then the other one is going in the Ziploc bag. I have some more somewhere, but I don't know where they are. And then I have 2 things of toothpaste. I also have I think I have toothpaste over there. And then my toothbrush and my toothbrush holders or covers, whatever you want to call these things. And then that's all that's going. This is all of my oral hygiene products. And then I'm going to pack my water pick. Couldn't think of it. I'm going to pack my water pick too. So that's done. Okay. Satin caps, which I already have a purple one, and then I got an extra black one, and then my shower caps. I have one that's also going in my luggage or carry-on, whatever I want to do with that. Okay. Feminine products. I didn't have to buy this right now, but I'm putting all these in there because I don't want to get there and then have to go and find it. I just want this to be available if I need it. I will also have some in my 72-hour bag. And then I have my always. Basically, I'm just putting all of my stuff in Ziploc bags because I don't want it to spill, burst, or anything like that. Also, not only that, it's recommended, like they give you a little thing, majiggy, and it's recommended that you do that. So, guess what she's doing? She's doing that. Anywho. Whew, I'm so tired. I still have a lot to do in the movies come tomorrow. Still be tragic if this shit got lost. I hope not. God knows what that happened to me. I ain't spent a lot of money on shower shoes in here because probably won't close, but that's fine. I'm gonna just do it like that. I'm gonna put these shower shoes in here because I'm gonna bring a pair with me, but these are the ones that I'm gonna wear when I'm there. They got those from Walmart. Then last but not least is my pillow and comforter set. Right on top, so when I get there, just take that little bad boy out. So I'm adding I'm adding a few things like a shower caddy that just came through in Amazon, hair products, some medicine, and a few like random like face masks and stuff. I added like some Bath and Body Works lotions, the perfumes and stuff, and then also my New Beginnings book, which pretty much gives me like a scripture every day and like a little message. So those are the things that I added. I added a few more face stuff too. I have like my my charcoal mask and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I added, and also The last thing that I have to add for this one is underwear and sports bras, and I'm just buy it at the store, dump it in, and then ship it off today. So yeah, that's all that I have for today, or for now, for this video. Yeah, so that's pretty much. Oh, I'm sorry. And then I'm adding those towels right there. I just have to put it in the thing, and you know how I do. Anyway, so this is all the stuff that I'm trying to fit into that suitcase. I packed it earlier, but I forgot one set of boots, and right there, one set of boots, and then I also forgot to put this in there as well. But my bag cannot exceed, I think, 70 pounds. So I have to figure something else, because I think it will. I'm not really sure though. So yeah, I guess we'll see. I'm about to try to repack this using these space bags. Don't mind this little mess right here. I'm gonna try to repack this using these space bags so I can have more room. But this suitcase is literally just the stuff that they issued me from Readiness, or at Readiness, and then I still have to pack all of these things in my 72-hour bag, and then I have to pick up all of this mess. So today I had plans on having this done today, but it didn't work out like that. And then I still have to just vacuum the 2 rooms and just pick up whatever else that's left. Right now, all I'm doing is packing my 72-hour bag. Everything is packed. I just have to finish that, and then I'll just be getting ready to head out tomorrow. I'm about to clean the bathroom. That's the last thing that I had, mainly because I had all of my that goes in my bag. I had all of my hair products still in there, so I'm gonna throw everything away and try to get at least 1 hour or 2 hours of sleep, and I'm on a flight tomorrow. It still didn't hit me yet, but it's okay. It's cool. So yeah, I will talk to you guys. Oops, why are you telling my glasses like this the whole time? Anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow.